Hey new reviewers, and here I got a new Hot Wheels Force final review from McDonald's. It is the Buster Tank, really cool. And 6 wheels, cool. It's real cool toy, and here's the Hot Wheels sensor back. And here's a button. You should press this button and I will show this one. But it comes now with embroider, and you see here the 5 right here, 5 here. You can see him so good. And if you want, and so going back in, you see this thing. You must be slide that here, and as you hear the click, it's closed. And then you must close. It sometimes happens with mine. This one to open up. Now wait, just do this. So I see it's writing, and I see something touch it. Take this thing, and it will open up. And yeah, it's really cool with toy. So, goodbye.
Goodbye. I hope you watch my videos.
I hope you watch my videos. And like next time, I will show you my hot color things, Hot Wheels. Then I will show you it's a tiger, really cool. So look next time. Bye.